everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing my Lionel NASCAR train set today. I'm going to go every detail. I really like this locomotive. So we start off with the locomotive, of course. I really like it. The only thing I don't like about it is that the stacks, you can't put smoke in them. Just kind of disappointing, but I'm dealing with it. Anyways, other than that, I really like it. It has two sides, the little figure in there. This, when it adds power to the track, this lights up, the front lights lights up, and the back. I don't know what this is. If you know what this is right here at the bottom of the train, it'd be nice to tell me in the comments below what that is. But real nice. This is supposed to be GP37, GP38. I've had this train for a very long time. No broken handrails, surprisingly. Safety rails on each side of the train. Pretty cool. What is it? It says NASCAR right here. Real nice detail on the wheels. Has two fans at the top. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say for that. So, on to the next one. Okay, next one we have the box car. Doors slide open on each side. Has a trophy inset in there in the inside of the box car that says champion. Has two big flags right here. Has a brake handle right here. Right here. Right here. Got my coupler broke for a second. That snapped. Yeah, it's a really nice box car. Has two big flags right here. That's basically all I have to say. So, on to the next car. Okay, now we have the flat car. Says Lionel on it. Really nice. Has a brake handle right here with steps that probably can't see. I don't know if you can or not. I don't think you can, but there's steps right there. Trust me. I wouldn't lie to y'all, my fans. And why is it not coming? There you go. It says like a little code number right here. That's basically all for the flat car. Not a lot of detail on the flat car. It has two safety handrails right here. I mean rails, not handrails, rails. And on to the next car. Okay, this is the next car. The tank car. Very nice detail on it. Here's the bottom. I don't know if I don't think I showed you how to uncouple these. There's a little tab right here that you probably can't see, but you pull that down and it opens it up. Releases the coupler to open, and then you just push it back to close it. So, and at the end of this video, I want to show y'all a little treat. Oh, there's a safety handrail right there. Why do I keep saying safety handrail or something like that? The brake. Here's the top. Says some stuff right here. Right here it says some type of code number. I don't know. Do you know what I think Lionel should make? I think they should make an end of train device. That'd be cool. I'd like that. I'd really have fun with that. That's for sure. Now I have to figure out how to couple this. I remember, but it's just difficult to. It says NASCAR right here. Of course, that's basically all for the tank car. On to the next car, the last car actually. Okay, last car, of course, the caboose. Not a lot of detail on it. There's smokestack right here. There's really not a lot of detail on it, really. This lights up. I think when you add power to the track, to be honest, I don't even remember. There's not a lot of detail on it. As to racing cars right here, for NASCAR, of course. This is Lionel logo right here. Looks like there's another car right there. Finish line and a code number. It has some rails, stairs right here. With a safety chain right here. The safety chain right here. And the brake. Has it on each side. My dogs are going off. So yeah. But I'm not done yet. I still want to show y'all something. I'm going to show you how to install the transformer. So, see ya. Wait. I'll see y'all in a second. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm back. We have two little fork looking things right here. This are for the track to work. A black one and a red one. So you attach the black to black. If I can get it on. Really difficult to get this on, I have to say. You just tighten it up. On each one. And then comes with plug-in to go in the where you charge your phone, and I don't exactly know what it's called right there. Plug that in. Then there's little green lights right here that glows. And right here, direction, whistle, and bell. And of course, we have the throttle. Yeah, you just heard the train move. And now, I'm going to show y'all one more thing. Oh my god. This train is loud. I burned out the sound on it when I was little. That was dumb. But, okay. I don't understand why this is not working right here. The crossing system my dad got me for my birthday last year. I don't know why this ain't working. The other one does pretty good. But I know where the top is, but it doesn't stay on very good, and I don't want to deal with it, so I just took it off. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. So now, it's time to see the train take a spin. Here we go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.